Yes. We are live. My name is Big Ben and welcome to my show. Today we're going to talk about how far do I think Bitcoin is going to go. Okay. We're going to just basically look over the overall market and talk about what you can actually do to survive these bear markets. Okay. So definitely stay tuned. Definitely hit that subscribe button if you are tired of losing. I know a lot of people are tired of losing, just what it is, okay? You don't have to lie to yourself. You can actually get out the situation if you want to, okay? Me personally, I am a professional. I day trade Monday through Friday, and this is what I do, okay? So me personally, I only look at the charts. The charts are the facts, and that's all I want to look at. I don't care about the news. I don't care about Tommy Lee or Tom Lee, whatever his name is, telling me Bitcoin is going to 15K or 50K, whatever K. I don't care about that stuff, okay? I don't care about BAC. I don't care about ETFs. I don't care about partnerships. All I care about is what's on my chart and what the chart is telling me to do, okay? So if you want to have that type of power, definitely hit that subscribe button because this is what we do over here, guys. We make money. We don't have time to complain and talking about, be patient and wait. No, okay. It's a time to be patient, okay. You know, being patient is actually a good thing, but it's not a good thing when you actually when you're doing something wrong, okay. So if you're doing something wrong, being patient is not a good thing. But if you have a nice strategy, a proven strategy, and you're working on your strategy, and you just basically practicing, you practicing and trying to become better, then yes, patience is very good. But when you're losing money like this at a high clip and it's just going down, straight down, being patient is the wrong thing to do, okay? Because man, we're gonna get into that, but let me pop out this chat room real quick, guys, and we're gonna talk about the crypto market. Let's see who's in the building. Like I said, guys, if you're losing money, tired of losing money, hit that subscribe button, okay? Because right now, guys, this is the second stage of the bear market, and things could get real ugly. Not only ugly this year, but next year. I think 2019 is going to be an ugly year for the crypto market. So, guys, you have to be prepared. You have to understand what's going on, okay? If you don't, you're going to be that guy that's suffering, all right? I don't want you guys to suffer. So on this live stream, guys, I'm not giving anyone financial advice. This is entertainment only. Right now, it's Wednesday, 12:39 p.m. Eastern time, where I'm at. Let me give you guys a round of applause. I see a couple of people in the building so far. I don't know how many people are going to show up today. Maybe people out shopping for that Thanksgiving dinner. So shout out to you guys. So let's go to the coin market cap real quick. Let's refresh this page. Let's see what's going on. All right, let's refresh this page. Let's see what's going on. All right, so the market cap is at 146 billion, guys. All right, Bitcoin dominance is still above 50. 53.1. The volume is actually still above that 5 billion mark. And things are just looking just weak. All right, just what it is. All right. And I said, most likely this whole week is going to be a bloody week, and I believe probably next week is going to be another bloody week too. It's a possibility, okay? Or we might have a little bounce next week, but it might just be another bloody week next week. So we might just see some new lows next week, and hitting that 3,000 mark, guys. Hitting that 3,000 mark is going to hurt a lot of people, okay, guys? Because I don't know if it's going to happen this week. I don't know if it's going to happen either over the weekend, but that 3,000 mark seems real, like right here, guys. Honestly, I thought we probably was going to bounce around 49, okay? Because, if you look to the left, we have some type of we had some type of support right there, okay, but it blew past that support. So that tells me once price blow past support, okay, that tells me that the market itself is so strong that it's disregarding everything, okay. It doesn't really care about any support, and it's going straight down. So that 3,000 level, guys, 3,900 and lower is going to hurt a lot of people. A lot of people are going to just really get depressed. All right. And what I'm looking at here, let's go to the 4-hour, guys. Please, let's go to the 4-hour. And you guys have any questions, please type in your questions, guys, in that chat box. The 4-hour basically looks crazy, guys. I mean, shot straight down. We might have consolidation, or we just might have another down movement. Like I said, I don't know if they want to do it tomorrow, which is Thanksgiving, you know, to do some type of sneak attack, or I don't know if they want to do it on Friday or the weekend. So, or they might just wait next week for that next leg down, okay? Because I believe the next leg down is coming, okay? But we might consolidate, and it's just going to get ugly, real ugly. All right. So, guys, if you have any questions, type in your questions here. All right. This is not going to be, guys, this is not going to be the same like before. Okay. So, a lot of times, a lot of people got lucky. A lot of people got lucky earlier this year when prices was bouncing around this range. Okay. So, a lot of people who tried to pick tops and bottoms. All right. This is not going to be the same, guys. You know, you trying to play things to the upside, please be careful, because buying the dips is not going to be very rewarding this time, because prices has so much pressure behind it. Okay, we was in a range last time, so if you bought around 6,000 or whatever support level, yeah, you know, you could have rolled it up for a nice little bounce, whatever. But this time, these bounces is probably going to be little, and you guys are probably not going to get any type of gains from any of these bounces. Okay, so put like this: no time soon. Probably you have to wait for that fourth bounce or that fifth bounce. But right now, this is a good example of what I mean. You notice how it bounced right here, and it only went up just a little bit, and then it dropped right back down. So these bounces is probably going to get smaller and smaller. We are probably going to get consolidation because right now the market does have to at least retrace a little bit. So I do expect the market to go up a little bit more, but before it goes up, it could actually slam down one more time, or it might decide to go up around Thanksgiving, whatever. And you know, consolidate, do whatever it had to do. But that 3,900 looks like it's coming soon, probably next month or next week. But guys, if you have any questions, let me know. Please, I beg you guys, I beg you, please, don't try to be that guy that's buying the dips just because you saw it on YouTube, just because you saw your favorite YouTuber, you know, said that he bought, you know, Bitcoin or Ethereum. Please don't do that. These guys do not know what they're doing, guys. You can tell they don't know what they're doing because they've been losing the whole year. All right. This is not a forced breakout. Okay, if it was a forced breakout, we should have reversed right here. Okay. The only thing I can say is Bitcoin could actually go back and test the breakout, but I don't think it wants to even test the breakout. All right, I don't really think it wants to test the breakout. So what I mean is it could go back to like 58, 59. It could do that, but I don't think it wants to do that. I really don't. I think the pressure is so strong. It wants to continue. And like I said before, guys, my target right now is below this swing, which is around 2,900, 3,000. Okay, so I'm waiting. I mean, if you look at it, we're not that far from it. We're definitely not that far from it. But you know, if we get to those levels, guys, you're gonna see a lot of moon boys come out and claim that that's the bottom. And please do not follow these moon boys. These moon boys do not know what they're doing. So please do not do that. Okay. So let's see if I see any questions so far. What's going on? AZ, John, Alex, Swazza, Altcoin Al, Mr. Al. Who else? Eugene, Jimmy, Oscar, Wasteland, Joseph. Shout out to your guys, man. Shout out to Jesus. Shout out to everybody that's here. Let me see if you guys have any questions now. Eugene said, hi, Josh. You keep talking about a link to click on my Android phone, and I have no link to click. I'm very interested in your course. You said Josh. I don't know who's Josh, but I'm guessing you're talking about me. Okay, Eugene, you said you are interested in my course. The only course that I have right now is the Crypto Profit Grabber course, and also once you get this course, you are available to you have the ability to get my day trading course too. I day trade the crude oil. Okay, so if you want to take your day trading to the next level, you can get that course too. But right now, this course is actually $150 on a live stream. Okay, so I'll give you this link if you're talking about this. Okay, so this will help you become a professional, show you the ropes, show you how to make money in the bear market and the bull market, show you how to not get crushed in times like this. So you can check that out. And also, if you get this, definitely let me know, because I have to give you that Discord room, because that comes with a Discord room. And if you have any more questions, definitely type it in. So let me see if I see let's see if I see any more questions here. Josh said, "Hey Ben, what do you use for crypto trade?" I use JackFax, but I don't know if you are. I don't know if you are in the United States. If you're not, if you are, you probably can't get in right now. A couple of people use BitMax. I do have websites you can actually use for U.S. clients, but you have to email me if you want those, because I don't know it offhand. Let me see. Crypto conversation at the Thanksgiving dinner table. This year's going to be a lot. Yeah, man. Alex Ben, can you tell us when to buy? I can tell you when to sell, bro. Oh, man. Of course, I'm not giving anybody financial advice. This is entertainment only. Okay. You said nobody's mentioning 6K anymore. Seems like they just talking about the last week. That's crazy, right? That is true. Your thoughts on Bitcoin? Yeah, I'm gonna give you guys my thoughts. All right, I'll give you guys my thoughts soon. I'm trying to read these questions real quick. Hello Ben, will Bitcoin go to the next support 3,000? Yeah, I'm gonna give you my thoughts, guys. All right, I'm gonna give you my thoughts. Swazza says smash up the likes. Crypto R Rush subs wanna smash him up. Crypto R Rush is that guy is funny, bro. Utility of token or coin could break away from Bitcoin pattern. Case in point, Tron. Wow, the prices. Do I think Tron or XRP or these other coins will break away from Bitcoin? I don't think no time soon. I think in order for that to happen, the market has to become regulated, and a lot of other stuff has to happen. Right now, No, I don't think that is, no, because most of these coins are overvalued, and so these coins have to go down with Bitcoin. Okay, these coins are worth too much, so most of these coins have to go down with Bitcoin. All right. I give you commission when I recover my losses. Shout out to you, man. Craig Wright is getting what he wants. It's Leonard. It's not this crash has nothing to do with Craig Wright, Leonard. And guys, please do not believe everything you read. Okay, this crash has nothing to do with Craig Wright. This crash was way before Craig Wright, and it is what it is. Okay, everything in between is just an excuse to bring the market down lower. But this was going to happen regardless of Craig Wright or anything else. Okay, so guys, let's look at some other cryptocurrencies. Let's see what XRP is doing real quick. All right. Let's see what the Magic coin is doing real quick. The Magic coin XRP. Let's see what's Oh, whoa. XRP is at 43 cents. Wow. This is the stable coin. This is at 43 cents. All right. Doesn't look stable right now. Let's see what Litecoin is doing right here. Let's see what Litecoin is doing. Okay, Litecoin, $33. Okay, guys, please, don't be a hero and try to buy the dips. Yes, we are going to have bounces. It's just how the market works. The market never goes straight down or straight up. We're always going to have pullbacks. Okay, so you are going to see green candles, guys. So I don't want you guys to be that that guy that buys the green candle just because you think it's going to the moon, or just because you think this is the bottom. Okay, if you that guy that just basically been buying the dip this whole year, man, shout out to you, because you're having a rough time right now. I don't want you guys to suffer, right? Your favorite crypto YouTuber is going to tell you to buy the dip, or he's buying the dip, but you have to understand he's reckless, because he's making money from you, okay, off of you, and or put it like this, he probably not even buying the dip. He's just telling you what he wants you to hear, okay? So be careful with that. These guys are not professionals. They don't invest or trade full time. So don't listen to these guys. All right, let's look at Ethereum real quick. Because these guys have to make videos like, the bottom is here, guys. Do you think this is the bottom? They have to make bottom videos. They always gonna make bottom videos. You're gonna see it all the time, every single month. Guys, I think this is the bottom. I mean, these guys are gambling. These guys are, I mean, come on, guys, please wake up, okay? Ethereum is not doing anything. I think we're gonna have a period where we're just gonna sell off, similar to like we had in July. You see how we just sold off for a good 2 weeks? So we might have that another period where we just sell off for a good 2 weeks. Okay, so just relax, guys, please. All right. Jesus said, Ben, get it, we can get it. Ben, get it, we get it. Now a lot of people don't get it, man. Jimmy Hall said, you only have a rough time if it was money you could afford to lose. However, yes, there is money to be lost, okay? Honestly, you semi-correct, but I don't believe in that, okay? I don't believe in, I hate when people say, I invest money that I'm willing to lose, and they say, oh well, if I lose it, oh well. No, I hate that, bro. That's a losing mentality. I don't want you guys to think that way. Not on my channel. Maybe if you want to go over there, you know, I want you guys to be winners, okay? Winners. I don't want you to have that mentality, because once you start to think like that, your whole life is going to be that same, you know, you're going to think the same way throughout your whole life. Oh well. No, forget about oh well. Let's win. Okay? That's why Michael Jordan, Kobe Bryant, these guys are killers, man. These guys, you can tell they want to win. You can see it in their face, see it in their eyes. These guys want to win. It's all, guys, we have to win. You know, we are in the matrix, and the matrix is not set up for an average Joe to make it, okay? So the average Joe, we have, you know, we have a hard time coming out the matrix, you know, already. So I don't want you guys to have that losing mentality, okay? I want you guys to come out the matrix, okay? Come out the matrix, guys. You can't do that by saying, oh, well, if I lose this money, oh, no. Let's win. Let's do it consistently, too. Let's win. Let's make this money consistently so you can eventually quit your job, build that generational wealth. Make sure your kids are good. Make sure your kids are good. Make sure you teach your kids how to build wealth. That's how it is, guys. You can't do that by buying and holding. Buying and holding is not a good strategy to teach your kid, because your kid is, see, the thing about buying and holding is your kid is going to have to work, okay? Your buy and hold strategy forces you to go to work. Let me repeat that again. Your buy and hold strategy forces you to go to work because you're waiting. Your buy and hold strategy is based on waiting, okay? I don't want you guys to wait. I don't want you guys to wait. We don't have time to wait. We don't have time to wait, guys. I don't think you understand what's really going on. Stock market crashing. I believe we're probably going to have a global collapse. It's probably not going to be no time soon. It's probably going to be maybe a year or 2 years or even 3 years from now. It doesn't matter. When that collapse happens, I want you guys to be prepared. Okay, I don't want you guys to be sitting waiting. I'm waiting. No, I don't forget about waiting, guys. We need to build up capital right now. Okay. So let's go and let me see if I see any questions. Let's see here. All right. Get that money, yes. Jimmy said fair enough. Shout out to Jimmy, man. Thanks a lot, Jimmy. You said no, it's happening in the 23rd of this month. I don't know what you mean by 23rd of this month. All right, the exchanges would recommend that are good to tie with bank accounts other than Coinbase. No, I don't recommend any exchanges that's good. I mean, I don't really know any good crypto exchanges. Okay, I could recommend you a good U.S. exchanges if you trade in the futures market or something like that, or the stock market. But anything that has to do with crypto, since it's unregulated, I can't really give you a good recommendation. All these crypto exchanges are iffy. Even Coinbase, yes, even Coinbase is iffy. I think Coinbase could freeze on you at any moment. You know. Anyway, so let's go over. I want to go over. Actually, let's listen to this real quick. All right. I'm going to basically speed this up a little bit so I don't have to deal with that copyright. But I want to let you guys hear this because you know, I think something that you guys need to hear real quick. So let's play this real quick.
I think that we in this world think about Bitcoin as an asset class, right? And that's not what it originally was. And so we turn it into an asset class, and we have discussions about the correlation to traditional asset classes. And David Swenson, who literally wrote the book on endowment investing, investing money into it, I think shows that there is a value for
money into businesses though, as opposed to the cryptocurrencies themselves.
That's correct. And so I think for this to be successful, usership has to increase, and that may or may not mean the value goes.
Okay. I don't know if you guys got that because it was kind of fast, okay? But basically what he's saying is, this is not an asset class, and this is not what Bitcoin was designed for, and also he said in order for this to work, the users using the cryptocurrencies, it has to increase, and which is I totally totally agree with him, because I told you guys this before. Okay, we can't have people talking about hodling, and no one is using the coin. Okay, using coins, that's how you actually bring value to the market, not buying and holding, guys. Okay, you have to use it. Every company that you look at that is successful is because they have a lot of users. Okay, Facebook, a lot of users. YouTube, Google, a lot of users. Right? Amazon, they have a lot of customers. Okay, using their website. Okay, so you have to have users in order to have something, continue to work. And this is not. If you look at the crypto market right now, this is not. Most people want to hodl and become rich overnight. Okay, it's not gonna work like that. All right, and also, right now, what's going on? I told you guys I don't like what's going on with the crypto market. Is the government is stepping in. Okay, so I don't like that. So I want you guys to be careful what you're hodling right now. Okay, really, I want you guys to be real careful with that, because I truly believe that this market right now is a it's gonna. I think the government is taking over this market, and it's probably not going to be pretty. And I really don't want you guys to lose money. Okay, I'd rather you guys just do something else, even if you don't want to do investing or trading, whatever. You guys have family, you have kids, you have a lot on the line. I don't want you guys to just lose money just because you believe in something so much. Okay, this market is still unregulated. It's still not a market where we have rules and regulations yet. Okay, since the government is stepping in, guys, don't you know the government can say anything now? Okay, now if this market was regulated, honestly, my attitude would be different. I would say, all right, guys, if you want to stick it out, fine, stick it out. But since the government is stepping in, these guys could literally put out anything by, anything tomorrow or next year, saying something crazy, which will mess up the whole crypto market, right? Now let's go back. Let's talk about the Bitcoin price, okay? Where do I see Bitcoin going? What are my thoughts? Okay, so let's talk about that. So Bitcoin right now is at 4,400. Okay, it hit like 4,000, pretty much almost 3,900 on a Coinbase. All right, it hit it quick, absolutely. Boom, 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 boom. Honestly, I thought we was going to maybe have problems around 5,049. But seeing that it dropped so quick, it's telling me that there's a lot of pressure, okay? And the sellers want to sell this thing real quick, all right? Now, my first stop, I told you guys yesterday, my first stop is around 2,900. But I believe that ultimately, this whole market will go back to the breakout, the original breakout, guys. All right. So that original breakout would be anywhere around that $1,000 mark and below. Okay. I know you guys are gonna say, "What is this guy talking about? How can Bitcoin go below 1,000?" Well, that's why I'm saying it, because it's not in your it's not in your it's not in your mind right now. Okay, so when I come up or think about something, okay, I always want to think like a well. Okay, I don't want to think like the average Joe. Okay, the average Joe will say there's no way Bitcoin will go below 10,000. That's what the average Joe will say. Okay, because I saw that plenty of times, guys. I can show you plenty of times where people said under my videos, there's no way Bitcoin is going below 10,000. Okay, same way they said no way Bitcoin is going below 6,000. So I don't care what the average Joe is talking about. Okay, I'm trying to think like a well. Okay, now everyone is calling 3,000, 2,900 because in their mind they can't see Bitcoin going below 1,000, and that's where I believe eventually Bitcoin will go below 1,000. Okay, now just think about that for a second. If Bitcoin goes below 1,000, where these other coins is going to go? So, guys, you know, at the end of the day, you can do whatever you want. I'm good. Trust me, I'm good. The reason why I'm good is because I worked my butt off. It took me a long time. It took me at least 8 years to figure out how the market works, and now, you know, I can actually do this full time. Spend time with my daughter. I can do it at home. I can make money from the markets. But I actually worked my butt off to get to the level where I'm at right now. Okay, I tried the buy and hold situation. I even tried it in a market that is even much slower than this. But at the same time, the way buy and hold made me feel inside, I didn't like it. Okay, I didn't like buy and hold strategy. I didn't like how it made me feel inside, and also I didn't like that I wasn't making consistent money every single month. Okay, so for you guys that and if you've been following me for the longest, you know that I really want you guys to quit your job. That's one of my main things. One of my main goals for the channel. Okay, I want you guys to eventually quit your job. Okay, it's going to be impossible to quit your job, even you know, I mean, if you hodl, because you're gonna have times like this where the market's just going down, right? A whole year wasted waiting. You're wasting your time just waiting. Okay, next year most likely is going to be the same thing, waiting. Okay, I think it's going to be much uglier. Like, things are going to get ugly next year. Okay, and I believe it's going to take a long time for the crypto market to recover. Right, especially if it goes that low. And I don't want you guys to be stuck into your coin for years and years and years. Meanwhile, the whole economy, the global collapse is happening, and you stuck, and you ain't doing nothing. You still at your job. I don't want you to be that guy, bro. I want you to make money right now. Tell me, why are you having a hard time learning or trying to learn how to make money right now? What is it? Tell me, what is it? Because the only thing I can come up with is you're too lazy to try to do it. Because I don't want to hear no excuse talking about, oh, you know, that's not for me, or I don't want to do that. I don't want to hear no excuses, guys. Because if you buy the dips, that means you are swing trading in a way, because you have to go into your account. You have to consistently buy the dips, because we've been going down this whole year. So you probably bought a lot of dips. Okay, that's what swing traders do. They go in the account and then look for opportunities. Okay, so you basically doing what swing traders are doing. So tell me, what is it? Because I believe some of you guys don't believe in yourself. I believe that some of you guys don't believe that you can do this. I'm here to tell you can do this, guys. If I can do it, you can do it. I'm a slow learner. I barely graduated from high school. I didn't go to college. If I can do this, guys, you can do this too. It has nothing to do with being smart or have confidence. All you have to do is basically study, practice your butt off, and that's it. I don't want to hear, oh, I don't want to do that, or blah, blah, blah. Bro, you doing it right now. You're buying a dip, so you're doing it. I don't want to hear that. That's just excuses. 2019 is coming up soon. What are you guys going to do? You just going to sit and wait, hope for your coin to go up? Meanwhile, it's going down? Your buy and hold strategy is not 100% guaranteed, guys. Right? The best strategy out here is to take profits. That's it. That's the best strategy out here, guys. Your swing trading strategy is not 100% guaranteed. Your day trading strategy is not 100% guaranteed. But if you understand how the market works and you understand when to get in, when to get out, and you take profits, woo! I'm telling you, bro, yo, you can literally change your life, okay? The same way that a lot of people, like, honestly, I had a guy the other day, WOJ, shout out to him. He said that he made 700K, guys, 700K. He put 15K. He made 700K when the market ran up. And he didn't take any profits. And this is exactly what I'm talking about, guys. All right? Most of your buy and hold guys, y'all never take profits. Imagine WOJ taking 700. That's pretty much $1 million, right? Taking that money and booking it. Boom. All right? Let's say that he takes 400K of that 700K, put that 400K to the side, and play with at least 100K, okay? And maybe add on some more, okay? That's how you do it, man. You have to take profits. You can't be that guy that just sit here and say, man, XRP is going to 589, so I'm not going to sell until XRP hit 589. No, bro. Trust me, you're going to lose like that. These coins right now are so risky because we're dealing with a unregulated market, guys. I don't care how many partners XRP has. I don't care about that. I don't care what your favorite XRP YouTuber says. I don't care what anybody says about Litecoin, Ethereum, Tron. All these guys are unregulated. The government is stepping in. I don't want you guys to lose money. What is the problem? What is the problem for you? All right, or what is the problem with you? And you know, with you guys, why you don't want to make money right now? I just don't get it. What is it? It has to be a confidence problem. It has to be. There's no other way, bro. Because if you switch this to another situation where if I told you, hey man, this $20 right now on the ground, you can take this $20 right now, or you can wait 5-10 years from now and come back and you can probably have $500, but it's not a guarantee. I can guarantee you take that $20 because you said, oh wait, I gotta wait what 5-10 years and it's not a guarantee. No, I'm not taking that. Let me give me this $20 right now. But when it comes to investing, you guys are just blind and hope and pray and believe in these coins so much. All right, I don't want you guys to get screwed. The type of money that I made today from my day trading, you know, some of you guys probably had to work months for that, you know. And I'm trying to figure out why some of you guys are not waking up. Like, it has to be a confidence problem. It has to be. There's no reason why a person will turn down money right now. It's just no reason why, bro. It has to be a confidence problem. You don't believe that you can do it. I'm here to tell you guys, you can do it. You can do it. You don't have to lose no more. You can turn your losing situation into a winning situation, guys. You can turn it into a winning situation. You don't have to lose anymore. You don't have to suffer. All right? When I was coming up, it got to the point where I tried to do everything on my own. I read the news. I tried to do everything on my own, and I couldn't do it. I couldn't do it anymore. I had to give up. I said, you know what? I'm done trying to do everything on my own. Okay, I want to learn. Okay, I want to sit back and learn. That's what most people have to do. You have to learn from people that's doing whatever you're trying to do. Okay, and this is why I'm so hard on you guys, because I want you guys to succeed. All right. Most people, they looking at this Wall Street cheat sheet, and basically saying that we over here and with anger. No, guys. Okay, I believe we over here, right here, anxiety, right here. Okay, because we crashed a little bit and we consolidate. Okay, so if you look at this crash right here, and you see how it went back up. Okay, this is what Bitcoin was doing. Okay, but it consolidated a little bit more, and then it broke out of this now. So I believe we going down a lot more. Okay. Most of the guys that you listen to, these guys are not professionals. They don't do this for full time. Okay. So I hope you guys wake up. I know I'm not gonna wake up a lot of you guys. I know it, but if I can wake up at least one or two, I'm happy. Okay. Shout out to everybody that's here though. Thanks a lot for stopping by. If you have any questions, let me know. But guys, it's time to wake up, man. It's definitely time to wake up. Let me close this real quick. Let's see what's going on here. Let's see, if you guys, if you have any questions, please shoot your questions. All right, shoot your questions. Let's see here. What happened to Jesus? Jesus been talking trash. Jesus, I don't know what's going on with Jesus. I don't know. I guess he erased his own comments, so maybe he felt bad. I don't know. Let me see. I'm reading these questions real quick, guys. And if you're new to my channel, if you have any questions, I'm quite sure you have questions. You're trying to figure out what's going on with the market. I've been doing this for 11 years, so you know, just shoot your questions. You say you're short in BTC all the way down to 3K. That's what's up, man. Get this money. It says, can we still make a lot of money with swing trading crypto at this point? Yes. Crypto is not. Crypto actually broke. Like right now, XRP is, like I said, XRP is one of the coins that is like the money is there. Okay. Eventually, XRP has to follow the market. Well, it is following the market, but it has to probably go down and go to these lows. Okay, so XRP has a lot of opportunity to make money. Even if you don't want to trade crypto, with this course right here, you can actually take these strategies and use it on you know, in the forex market, commodities, you know, different things like that. But yes, there's opportunities right now still in crypto. Let me see here. Some people can't let something go they love all year, even if it's been yeah, you're right. You're right. I see it. I see that with relationships too. You have people that's in toxic, you know, I mean, basically bad relationships, and they know that they should leave that person, but they've been with that person so long, so they say, you know, man, I can't leave this person. I invested so much time with this person, so let me see if I can stick it out. Okay. Now, let me say something. There's nothing wrong with sticking things out, but if you continue to see that person is bad for you, then you have to let that person go. Same thing with your coins or your stock. You know, you can try to make it see if you can make it work, but if this thing is continuing to crush your bank account, you have to let it go. I know, trust me, I know it's hard to let go something, but you know, Most hodlers don't even believe in technical analysis. Yes. And like I said, it's a confidence thing. It is what it is, though. Swazza said, Ben's the man, buy the course, learn to trade, change your life. Shout out to Swazza. You said I'm already screwed. Nah, I mean, Jimmy, you're not screwed. Jimmy, you always have a way out. You always have a way out. Okay. You know, when I lost money in the stock market over like $85,000, I could have easily said I'm screwed. No, I didn't give up. So you're not screwed. You just have to learn, because think about it, guys. If you're not making the money that you want to make right now, it's just something. It's very simple. You're doing something wrong. It's just that simple. The people that make consistent money are the people that's doing something right. That's it. Tim said, "Will we drop into?" I talked about that already. Get ready for Bitcoin to go, you know, to that $1,000 mark or below. That's what I'm thinking. What's going on, Joseph? BMV said, "Hi Ben and followers. I tried day trading, but it didn't work out for me. Because yes, I was lazy. Now I'm looking for the trend to change, like Ben said, high highs, low lows." Okay. Let me explain something to you, BNV. It doesn't work like that. Okay. You can't say that it didn't work out for me. It doesn't work that. It doesn't work like that, BNV. Okay. The reason why it didn't work out for you because you gave up. All right. I just told you. I told all of my subscribers. It took me like 8 years to figure that out. So I could have, my first 2 years, I could have said, you know what, this day trading stuff don't work for me. You know, didn't work out for me, and I just could have gave up. Okay, so I'm here to tell you that whatever you're doing right now when it comes to day trading, maybe it's the wrong strategy. Okay, maybe you're doing something wrong when it comes to day trading. Okay. I have students right now that never day traded in their lives, and they actually making money consistently, like right now with their live day trading account. So it's something that you're doing, and you have to accept that, though. You can't just say, well, it didn't work out for me. You have to accept that it's something that you are doing, and then try to figure out what the mistakes that you're trying, mistakes that you're making, and then improve on that. Or find a new strategy, but don't say that day trading didn't work out for you. You know, God, you know, you can't quit that quick. All right, you can't do that. BNV, I have a day trading course. If you're interested in that, I told you already. I have students already that double their account, triple their account. So it's up to you if you want to go that route, okay? But overall, you can't give up, okay? You can't give up. If you want, you know, if you want more information, you can email me. But other than that, you know, guys, you can't give up, man. Let's see here. Let me read these comments. My calculation shows that BTC can you should go to 2K. Yeah, it's definitely possible, man. I believe Bitcoin could go way lower than 2K. Okay, shout out to you. I already learned my lessons. When I start seeing profits again, I'm starting to, let me give you a round of applause, Jimmy. And that's how you do it, guys. All right, that's how you do it. Let's give Jimmy a round of applause, okay? That's how you do it, guys. You look at your mistakes and you tell yourself, I'm not going to do that no more. That's how you get better, Okay? That's why I never gave up, guys. I never ever gave up. You know why? Because I said to myself, if I keep making mistakes and I improve on all my mistakes, it's going to be impossible for me to not succeed, because I already I'm fixing all my mistakes. I'm fixing all my mistakes. So I'm going to be that guy that whenever that time is, I'm going to be that guy that's going to be successful. Okay? It's almost like a battery charging. Okay? If you charge a battery, you know, every time, let's say that your battery is low. Okay? Every time you charge your battery, it's like you are improving. Okay? So if you improve on whatever your mistakes, whatever you're doing, improve on your mistakes, you're basically charging your battery. Eventually, your battery is going to be at 100%. So it's going to be very hard for you to not succeed or go to that next level, bro. Trust me on that. This is the strategy that I use. I said to myself, it's impossible for me to lose 100% of the time. It's impossible. It's impossible for me to lose 100% of the time if I'm improving. Okay? And that's why I kept going, because I knew the numbers is not going to lie to me. If I keep improving, I know I'm going to get stronger. I know it for a fact. The numbers don't lie, bro. If you keep on improving, I don't care what it is. I don't care if it's basketball. I don't care if you are a lawyer, a doctor. If you have mistakes, you work on your mistakes. Bro, math-wise, it's impossible for you to lose, okay? So don't ever give up, guys. You have it. Let me see here. What do you think about no, don't Joseph, please do not do eToro, I don't know how to say that. eToro or something like that, trading. That's just a trading that you don't have. It's not going to make you better, okay? Please don't focus on something that's going to make you better, and you don't have to rely on anybody, all right? Shout out to T-Loke. Shout out to you, man. Do I think we're gonna get a little bounce short term? Yeah, we definitely gonna get a little bounce. But what I think is a possibility. Okay, let's look at Litecoin real quick. Litecoin shows it a little bit better. It's a possibility that we might have one of these sell-offs that last for maybe 2 weeks. So if you notice, back in either May or July, we just kept going down. If you notice how we just kept going down like this, we might have another sell-off like this last for a good 2 weeks. So yes, we are going to see bounces. We might see 3 green bars in a row. Next thing you know, boom, drop right back down. Or you might see 2 green bars in a row, drop right back down. We're going to see little bounces, but I don't think nothing crazy. Now, if it gets to the point where it's crazy, most likely we're going to try to test the breakout of that BTC 6,000. But I don't think they want to do that. Really don't think they want to do that. Hey, Ben, what do you think about the futures of crypto? I mean, going to change transaction or some? I mean, going to change transaction. What I think about the future of crypto is I don't like it right now, okay? As we speak. If something change later on in the future, then I talk about that in the future. But right now, as we speak, I don't like it because the government is coming in, Wall Street is coming in, and Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, the coins weren't designed for Wall Street to come in. Wasn't designed for the government to come in. These guys are really going to mess up everything. All right, really. That's why I'm trying to help you guys not depend on the moon. Okay, I don't want you guys to depend on the market going up. Okay, you can make money without the market going up. That's number one. Number two, you can actually make money doing other things. Okay, you can swing trade or you can day trade. I don't want you guys to be this lazy buy and hold guy that just waiting for the moon. It's time to wake up. It's time to work. All right. It's gonna pay off. Trust me. Imagine if you, let's say that you decide to say, you know what, I like what Ben is saying right now. Okay. Imagine if you from what's today is November. Imagine all the way to November. Let's say, let me see, 3 months from now. Okay. December, January, February, or let's say even January, February, March. Okay. Imagine you giving yourself 4 months. Imagine where you can be 4 months from now if you just put your head down and study and try to, you know, improve and become better. All right. Instead of just trying to wait for that moon to come, imagine you work on your skills. You work on your day trading skills, or you work on your swing trading skills. Imagine where you can be 4 months from now, or even 6 months from now, or even a year from now. Okay, this is what I'm trying to help you guys. All right, I'm trying to help you guys become an independent trader or investor that doesn't have to rely on the ETFs, the government, the news, none of that stuff. Okay, I'm trying to help you guys to get to that level, and I'm doing I believe I'm doing a good job, because I have a lot of students right now that are doing real good. I mean, like, I'm surprised these guys are doing real good. The reason why I'm surprised, because these guys never day traded before. So I think the reason why is because the way I teach, I try to break things down as simple as possible, because I think that's another reason why a lot of people fell at day trading, because a lot of these teachers, they can't teach for nothing. I noticed that they are not good teachers. So I try to break things. I try to make things as simple as possible. So I think that's probably one reason too. But you know, I'm actually happy. I'm proud of my students right now. That's actually doing real good. But I'm about to be out of here, guys. I definitely appreciate you guys stopping by. You know, guys, you can do this. You can do this, guys. You can do this, man. Please do not. I don't want you guys to not believe in yourself. Okay, believe in yourselves, guys. You can do it. You are worth more than your job. Okay, your job is probably paying you no more than probably $36,000 a year. All right. On average, that's what most people are getting. Okay, even if you're making 60,000, with, you know, when the taxes come out, you're probably only making 30-something thousand a year. Okay, so your guys are worth more than $30-something thousand a year, guys. I want you guys to understand that. All right, I don't want you guys to sit and suffer just because you don't want, you don't want to study. I don't want you guys to do that, man. You know, go on my channel. I have multiple videos of me day trading live. Okay, me showing you what's possible, me showing you proof that I'm doing this for real. Okay, so if you need that for more confidence, because I know confidence is actually a big thing, guys. It is. I didn't realize that until I start to deal with a large group. But confidence is really a big deal, and a lot of people have to build up their confidence to build up their confidence so they can take that next step. All right, because I believe a lot of people don't believe in themselves. That's why you have a lot of people on my live stream. Sometimes they come and they don't even listen to what I have to say. They just read the title and they come and they just talk trash. Okay, I'm trying to help people out. But anyway, guys, thanks a lot. Let me see if I see any more questions before I go. Let me see here. BNV said, "You're all right. I was doing stupid trades. I am learning." Yes. So shout out to you, man. Let me give you a round of applause, because a lot of people don't want to admit. A lot of people don't want to admit when they make mistakes. So shout out to you. I'm happy that you are willing to at least see that you are making mistakes, because honestly, I had to be that person too. Okay, I had to sit back and say, yo, Ben, what are you doing? Yo, Ben, what are you doing? You're not even trading the strategy. You know how many times I sit and I was trading and I wasn't even trading my day trading strategy. I was losing money like crazy. And you know, so I'm glad BMV you are honest with yourself. Okay, that's the only way you're gonna grow, because if you are in denial, like just like a person, let's say alcoholic or someone that's addicted to something, if these guys don't even, you know, admit that they have a problem, there's no way they're gonna fix that problem. So I don't know if you have my email address. Let me give you my email address, okay? Or anybody else that just if you want to email me and ask me any questions, all right? You know, you can email me, all right? Let me see, email me, okay? If you have any questions about the courses or, you know, anything day traded, you can email me. Ken said I made it. I'm about to be out of here, Ken. Shout out to Golden Arm. Golden Arm is actually one of my other students. Golden Arm is crazy, bro. Golden Arm, where you been, man? I haven't seen you. What have you been on the day trading room, man? I know you probably been working. So shout out to you. Let me see here. Let's see if I see BTC will touch 1500. Yes, I believe Bitcoin will go at that 1,000 level, guys. I really truly believe that, because it's a level that the average Joe is not thinking about. All right, it's a level that the average Joe is not thinking about, and when I think about these levels, I have to think like a whale. I can't think like the average Joe. All right, so I really totally believe that this breakout that we had in 2015. That breakout that we had, I believe that we're going back to that breakout. Okay, so I believe we eventually going to go below that $1,000 mark. All right, but anyway, guys, make sure that you said thanks for the motivation talk. Yeah, no problem, BMV, man, no problem, man. You know, the reason why I'm like this is because number one, the way my mother raised me. Okay, she was a single parent. And, you know, we went to church a lot when I was younger. And also, you know, I'm just a regular guy that barely graduated from high school. And I know, bro, like, I'm so excited to share this information, because I know if I'm able to do this, I know y'all guys can do this. I know most of you guys are bright, okay? I know you guys are smart. And you don't even have to be smart to become successful. You just have to just practice. That's it. What's going on, Maria? How you doing? Good to see you here. So, guys, if you have any questions, please let me know. I'm about to get out of here. I hope you guys are not buying the dips. I hope you just, you know, and someone asked me about confirmation yesterday, so let me get to that right now, because I know someone asked me about that, and I forgot to get to that. But, you know, honestly, right now, confirmation, we probably ain't gonna see that no time soon. But someone asked me what does confirmation looks like. Okay, so if you go back, this was when Bitcoin was crashing last time. Okay, now this was the bottom right here. This is confirmation, guys. Okay, you see how we was consolidating for a while, right? We was consolidating for a while. We broke out of this consolidation. We pulled back to the consolidation. We found support at this consolidation, and we started to make higher highs. Okay, we actually had a nice little triangle break. Start to make higher highs. That's the confirmation. Okay, what you see in Bitcoin right now, I don't see any confirmation at all, ever. Not this whole year. Okay, just straight going down. That's it. Down, down, down. Okay, that's why I tell people stop buying the dips, because this thing could go lower and lower and lower and lower and lower and lower. Okay, you do not want to mess with a bear market. A bear market is designed to wipe you out. That's what they want you to do. They want you to wipe you out. All right, so guys, thanks a lot for stopping by. Let me give you guys a round of applause once again. I appreciate everybody that's on my live stream. I hope, guys, that some of you guys are going to wake up, you know. If you don't have this by now, you can check that out too. This is the crypto course, okay? It's only for if you want to swing trade crypto, okay? This has nothing to do with the day trading, okay? My day trading course is separate from this, but if you want to swing trade crypto, this is it right here, okay? And also, you can actually, the strategies that you learn from that, you can use it in other markets like the Forex. But that price that you see, 150, is only for this live stream. So when I get off this live stream, I'm going to raise that price back to 300. Talk to you guys later. And please, guys, have a great weekend, a great holiday, a turkey day. Make sure that you eat good, and have a great weekend if we don't talk. And make sure you guys just study, guys. Talk to you guys later. And guys, please have a great day, all right?